Hello, welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. So I hope everyone is doing well. So in our last video, we have covered we have seen that how to create matrix atom, what is matrix atom, and how to use the matrix atom. So in today's video, we are going to learn about assembly atom or bill of materials bomb atoms. So how it works, how we can create, how it got assembled. So these kind of things we are going to learn today. Okay, let's start. So first of all, assembly or bill of materials item. What is this? What is an item? How to use? An assembly items in NetSuite represent a finished product that is manufactured by combining multiple components such as raw materials, sub-assembles, or labor. The bill of materials is a list of components required to produce an assembly item. It includes inventory part, non-inventory part, labor, and other costs associated with the product process. Use of assembly items, BOM items in NetSuite. Manufacturing product used to track raw materials and goods, finished goods, cost calculation, help determining the total cost of product. Inventory management automates stock updates when finished goods are built. Work order, manufacturing routine. These are related to manufacturing process. So first we need to do the some enable features. Go to setup company enable feature under the items sub inventory items. Then we can select the checkbox work order for manufacturing advance. So here, what does it mean by assembly item? Assembly item for just take an example. So assembly item is nothing just we want to produce or manufacture a bike. So for bike, what are the component we need? Like we need we wheels, we need handle, we need headlight, we need indicator, we need engine, we need seat, we need tanky. So these are that comes under that bill of materials. That will be comes under the material. So this will be the material. So once we'll collect all the materials, then we'll start producing that bike. First, we need to collect all the component. What are the required component for to producing any bike? So, wheel of material is a reusable thing. So, once suppose we have 100 order of bike. So, first we'll go for one vehicle material. Then we can go for others. So here assembly items. Before that, we can separately also create like bill of materials. So here we can review some bill of materials component, front brake pads kits. This is also non inventory item we have created as a bill of material that will be part of assembly items. So these are that used on assembly item headquarter. So these are the things we can create that assembly. Yamaha 15 bike we are now going to assemble. Master default mobile assembled. So these are the bill of materials. So these are the component we need to use while producing an assembly items. So what are the required materials, raw materials we need that we need to add here as a bill of materials. So once we'll add it successfully, then we can go for the production. So now these all items are added successfully. Raw materials for bike like and grip Yamaha 50 and rear wheelie headlight. So all the things like indicators, all the things we can add here as a list. So that will be available while producing the bike or any assembly items. Now just to have a look on the assembly items. For test, we have seen that yeah, this is that assembly item we have created. So yeah, before creating, we need to check confirm that enable features. Let's confirm that one also. So item, inventory item. So we need to select the checkbox. Assembly item in the sense like it is allowing to create or access the assembly item in it. So when we are selecting this checkbox. Our building and stocking assembly item from components. So work order, create work order. So this is also helpful while doing a manufacturing process. So these are the things. Once we check this checkbox, just click on save. Now we can review that created item. We have created earlier. Just give the name. Yeah, bike. For example, we are creating manufacturing the bike, assembling the bike. Each primary stock unit will be each one by one empty factor display name each. This is a super sport bike in the world. Just to give that description, make it available based on subsidiary. So which subsidiary you want to display, make it available. If you want to categorize, then just to give the categorize like department, classes, and location. And the average costing method for each. And here in some points need to review auto calculate. Auto this preferred stock level will be auto calculate. Reorder point will be auto calculate. These are the things so we need to review. And yeah, in the manufacturing also here also there is option. If you want to add here from bill of materials part as spare parts of the bike, so here from here also you can select, not an issue. And if you don't have, you want to add new, then also you can select from like indicator. Just click on that and save it. Now we can see here indicator. So this is the way we can create raw material as an inventory or non-inventory item, and we can add here. So then we can define that pricing. As of now, we can define the price. We will discuss this pricing module in the upcoming chapter. So we can define like give the price like 50,000. Now just save it. Now we have created successfully assembly item. Now this is ready to use. So this is the way how we can create an assembly item. So the process is very simple. Like so for example, we are running a business, and customers need to uh, order the first what are the assembly item they required. So once we'll receive the orders, based on orders we need to start manufacturing building. Like we need to collect the material, raw components. Then once we collected all those raw material, then we can start building an assembly items. So that's it for today. I think we have covered this assembly items. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for the watching. In the next video, we'll see that kit package item and pricing module in that item record level. So in the upcoming video, we'll cover this. So thank you for the watching. Please add your comment and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon button to stay active for NetSuite tips and tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.